So in this video, I'm going to show how to fix message notifications not showing. So if your messages, when they are coming, they don't show notifications on your home screen, just watch the video until the end. So open your phone settings. When you go to phone settings, do the following: scroll down and look for applications. Just look for applications, then select that applications. Then after tapping apps, then select manage apps. So this varies depending on the phone you have. So just look for apps and look for the message application. So in that search area, look for messages applications. So put messages there. So then tap on it. You just have to select it. Now this is where you have to pay keen attention. So scroll down and see something known as, you see that notifications, then select it. Now make sure this is toggled on. Toggle show notification, turn that on. So if you turn that on, the next final thing that you should not fail to do, that you should do, make sure you go backwards and make sure you clear data and force stop the message application. If you do that, you should be able to get your notifications shown in your home screen when a message is coming. Basically just do that. So if this works for you, let me know down in the comments section down below. Subscribe.